I'm Ira Fesperman with M. Stagers Realty Partners, the Missy Stagers team. Just want to let you know that we have this really great event coming up soon. September 29th, we are going to host a movie night. We're going to watch Robin Hood Men in Tights. I don't know if you've seen it, but it really is hilarious. So we would love for you to come out and join us. We're going to have popcorn. We even bought a cotton candy machine. And we're going to try to make cotton candy. So we obviously have to have a dry run before we start that. So come out and join us. Again, September 29th. It's going to start at 6:30. The movie starts around 7:30. And we are going to have root beer floats when you get here. So we'd love to have you. And also it is going to kick off our food drive for the San Antonio Food Bank. So if you would like to bring some donations, we would love to have them. Again, I'm Ira with Missy Stagers team. You can RSVP to 210-324-7629. We really hope to see you and bring your lawn chair.